Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The 4 types of point of view. First-person point of view. First person is when I am telling the story. Second-person point of view. Third-person point of view, limited. Third-person point of view, omniscient.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Third-person omniscient narration. This is a common form of third-person narration in which the teller of the tale, who often appears to speak with the voice of the author himself, assumes an omniscient all-knowing perspective on the story being told, diving into private thoughts, narrating secret or hidden events.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
From a fifth-person perspective, one starts to feel the system in a different way, recognizing that one's own perspective on and in the Anthropocene is merely a perspective, which itself is a perspective, which in turn is a perspective.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.